Welcome back to Telegram Files, everyone. I've been away for a while sorting out some personal stuff. Sorry for the long break, but I'm back and excited to get consistent again. Today's episode is different from our usual money-making channels. I'm showing you a fantastic Telegram channel packed with free certificate courses, mostly from Udemy. The channel name is right there on screen, and I'll put the link in the description and pinned comment so you can join easily. Just look at how tiny the scroll bar is. There are tons of courses posted here every day. Here's how simple it is to grab a free course. Click the Enroll link in any post. When the page loads, scroll down until you see the Enroll for Free button and click it. It'll take you straight to Udemy. As you can see, it's completely free right now. You can either add it to your card or hit Enroll Now. Both work the same. Notice it says 4 days left at this price. That means these deals are time limited, not free forever. But don't worry, the admin posts new free ones regularly, so you'll always have fresh options. The best part? These courses come with a certificate of completion when you finish. You'll also get the full course outline, what you'll learn, the lessons, and real student reviews right here. Super valuable for building skills without spending a dime. That's it for today's episode. Since this isn't trading-related content, I'll skip the usual financial disclaimer. If you're enjoying Telegram Files and want to support the channel so I can keep uploading consistently, you can donate to the USDT address in the description. It really helps. Thank you for watching. Drop a like if this was useful. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you soon in the next Telegram Files episode.